Are you curious to know about your business's carbon footprint, but without the complexity or the cost? Well, if so, you're in exactly the right place. At Neutral Carbon Zone, we created the Blue Award to make carbon accounting accessible for every business, and it's completely free. By answering a few activity-based questions about your operations, you'll receive an actionable report showing where your emissions are coming from. It's quick and it's practical, and you'll just need some basic details around your headcount, buildings, revenue, deliveries, and so on. And if you have those ready, this whole process could quite literally take you about 10 minutes. So why not give it a start today? Click the link, take your first steps towards understanding and ultimately reducing your carbon footprint. Keep watching the video to follow a step-by-step guide to our free carbon calculator from our team.
Hello, I am Sally. Allow me to guide you through the step-by-step process of using our free carbon calculator, which shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. On this form, type in your email address and contact number. After you submit these details, you will see our NCZ Blue Award questionnaire on your screen. By answering this simple questionnaire, you are taking the first step towards achieving our NCZ Blue Award, which is the perfect starting point to demonstrate your commitment to sustainability and to understand your carbon footprint. Fill out the following details: your company name, your industry, your company website, your company LinkedIn page URL. Choose the country where your company is registered from our drop-down choices. And then input your company registration number. In 300 characters or less, write a brief description of what your company does or sells. Upload your company logo. As the representative of your company, type in your first and last name, your email address, your current job title in the company, and your phone number. Now it's time to fill out the details of your report. Type in the last date of the year you want to compute for. The carbon calculator works with the annualized report covering 12 months before the end date you input. Share your company size with us. Start with your company revenue for the duration of your year's report. Indicate the currency used by your company. And write the total headcount of the company. How many staff are office-based and/or work from home? For your emissions modelling, select the unit of distance that you would prefer to use. In the following table, indicate the average number for both work from home and or office staff and other types of staff of days per week worked per person, the average number of days per week commuting to a regular place of work per person, and the average distance between staff's home and place of work per person. Drag the orange indicator in the two dials below to indicate the percentage of office staff who use public transport and the percentage of other staff who use public transport. In the next section, input the total amount of expenditure on goods and services for the accounted year. Below the amount, drag the indicator to mark the percentage of your total spend that was spent on services only. Then, for the year accounted, enter the total mileage of the company fleet, detailing mileage for each vehicle. Click Add More if you have more than one vehicle to report. In the next section, provide details on different types of staff who travel for business in varying distances and frequencies. Please add rows when necessary. And finally, for the last section, indicate the frequency, the distance, and the average weight, in kgs, per delivery, both for the company's goods received and goods sent in the accounted for year. Once you click Submit, our team will receive your data and calculate your emissions. You'll then receive Carbon Insight Report and NCZ Blue Award within the next few working days to help you kickstart your net zero plan and showcase your achievement. Should you need further assistance, please don't hesitate to book a free call with Zach, one of our team members, through the Calendly link below.